Flamekiss 9.5-inch ceramic coated nonstick 3-cup egg cooker pan by Amore Kitchenware. This 3-cup pan is great for over easy eggs. Besides that, it has the advantage of being environmentally friendly. No metal heat, heavy metal was used during the manufacturing process, and it has 100% PFOA and PRFE free coating. For the price, you'll receive a high quality product. Moreover, the coating is durable and it will not peel or fade even after being used for a long time. Flamekiss 9.5-inch ceramic coated nonstick 3-cup egg cooker pan by Amore Kitchenware is dishwasher safe, making it easier to clean. The 3 cups have 9.5 inches and let you slide eggs easier. They don't let eggs stick to the surface, so you don't have to worry about your eggs becoming a mess. The handle is heat resistant and durable and offers a comfortable grip. Additionally, the pan comes with a 12-month manufacturer warranty.